Welcome to Jim Dedman and Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. It's Slop in the Shop time again. For those of you who may be viewing for the first time, Slop in the Shop is a video blog. It may be a project, it may be a purchase, it may be some assorted clips of something I'm doing personally. It may be, as I was told by one of my subscribers, a fashion tips where I cut some shorts off, past video, all kind of things. It's whatever's going on that's related to me in my shop. And it takes its cue from the old slop bucket that was kept in the houses where food scraps and stuff was put together to feed pigs if you had a pig out in the backyard. So that's where the idea of the slop in the shop. It's just a collection. So we're going to take this virtual bucket of video slop, roll it out there for the little piggies to eat, and you can sit back and watch it and enjoy it. Prop your feet up if you're in the house on a recliner, get you a cold drink of whatever beverage you choose. Sit back and enjoy these pigs eating. We'll come on back here at the end and tell you bye. So let's, no further ado, let's feed these pigs up real well. This is Jim. Welcome to my shop and good morning. I've got some little minor purchases. This is a cutoff blade. I'm going to try something. Basically, this stems from a conversation between Mark Winquist at Winky's Workshop and Randy Richard, myself, over one of his videos. He showed using the HSS cutoff blades, and what he's doing is he actually made a complete block for his cutoff blades. Everett up in Canada, he made a turret to try to get around the stiffness problem. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to make a block, and you'll see it in the video, and the video may come out before the slop. I'm going to make a basically machine up a dovetail block, fit it all the way where it touches the compound, and then put the, and then machine it to hold this blade. That's kind of going to be the game plan with this, but that's going to be an upcoming video, or you may see it. This is just a roll of string from Walmart that I purchased for the top project that I made to put on the end of it. And with that being said, right beside of it is clear fingernail polish. And I'm going to show you kind of what we're going to do with the clear, what I did with the clear fingernail polish. You just take your fingernail polish on your string here, put it on the end of it just like that. And that way this string won't unravel. It'll sit. Now, I didn't think of this. As many times you've heard me tell, my late father, who was an avid fisherman, used to tie a lot of jigs and little what we called ice flies, blades. And one of the ways to keep the strings in line is to keep them from unraveling. So we'd just go back in those days to the 5 and dime store to get fingernail polish. If I bumped the camera, I apologize. But this here just comes from a little old, like a Dollar Tree or something like that. So anytime you got a string or something, it's always handy. It's a little something to keep around for that kind of stuff. Okay, now we'll move on. There on the top is all them fixtures made out of. It's actually UMH jug that I've had. They've been just laying in the yard. So what I've done with them is put them up on the top there. So I've got them neatly stored, ready to go. So that way I've got that put up and it's off the ground. And what I'll do sometimes, and you'll see, I take and use pieces of them quite often to make stuff out of. So that's what, so I take them apart. So Now I've got them off the ground, which is important. Okay, here we go. We got some slop in the shop items. I've got 4 of these pieces, look like plexiglass, I'm not sure, really thick. It was little shelf units. I was down at Tom's the other day, and he's doing some cleaning and rearranging and straightening up. There's some big things happening at Tom, and I'm going to let him be the one to tell you what they are. But there's big things happening in Tom's and Hilltop Machines life. And he's asked me would I take this, could I use it, so I did. Also, I was getting ready to go down at Tom's and had an accident. A pair of shorts that I wear here in the shop, the zipper broke. So what we're going to do here on camera, and let me just move the camera down, or I'll just bring you back. I'm going to aim it down a little bit, another clip. You'll see what we're going to do with these shorts. Good morning, this is Jim. How are you today? I've got some viewer gifts that I want to show. Right here is a stereometric equivalent chart and a decimal equivalent chart from Starrett, and a little Starrett notepad. This was sent in by one of my viewers who asked not to name his name on the video, but he didn't mind me showing it. So, out of respect to that, I did. You know, if you send something and don't want your name all over the internet, then you know, I can respect that, and I will, so you don't have to, you know, if you want to do something like that, like this gentleman did, that's fine. You know, we got to respect people's privacy sometimes. But I do appreciate it. I did send the subscriber an email for these items, so I thought I would bring it in. We'll put it in this particular slot. This is a project I'm working on. It'll be in a video, and sometimes the videos are headed to Slop. You've seen me build this fixture a while back, and I'm sawing some stock up to get it close to size to save a lot of milling power and making stuff into chips. I also have this piece of material that I could use maybe in the future. So what I've done is I laid it out, clamped it, and all, and just got it sitting in the saw, and now we're just letting the saw do its thing. So what this does is give me an opportunity to use the material that I have here in the shop, and works out real good. You'll probably see the project usually before the slop actually comes out, because the way I do videos sometimes, I'm probably over a month ahead on my slops at any given time, because there's so many little clips I put in. So with that being said, I hope you see this use of this fixture, and I do have a video on it. You can go back here recently and look it up. So and if you got one of these little small saws or even a larger saw, these things come in handy. I'm going to show you this. I've done some sawing up some blocks here recently, and you showing fixture in a video that's coming along. You may have seen, you may have not, but now right there is what's left out of one block of steel that I've used my fixture to saw up some stuff. So this piece here still may be useful, but you can see that there's fairly thin off the end. We'll put all that in the middle bin. Several times, see, I've done marked these with the center. I mean, several times I've mentioned in the past this, and it bears repeating. If you want to use something like this in your shop or yourself, and you don't have the material, go to your home center and get some PVC boards. That'll work just fine too, because you're going to fasten this and press it anyway. I mean, it's not a rocket science. Just get you some PVC boards. Got a lot of material laying on top of this, but right there now I've got 3 round pucks to make pill bottles, and I haven't wasted any good material. So it's always advantageous to me Getting down close, and with all the strings, it's hard to get the strings off. But one of the ways I found to work these strings off is basically just let the lathe do the work. See, they just pile up just like that. Do a little light back feed with no pressure. Hopefully that gets the string thin. So we'll turn the feed back forward here. And not that I'm worried as much about finish as I am fit. And trying to get this plastic off here to fit them. This is really stringy. You need to take deeper cuts, but you're really trying to hit them a place that you need to hit. And you got a little bit of room to work. You're pretty good. I'm taking a couple of passes, just my goal is to try to break these chips up. Board, 1,000 RPM, let it eat. I mean, that's slick. It just, this material, see right there's the pipe. That's all we need. There we go. Show you how I set the measurements up. Got a bottle, put the scale all the way in. That says about 3.5 inches to the bottom. Then I hold about a 1 inch off that. Kind of put my finger in there and get an idea. This is going to be 3 1/4. That's how we do it. I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop. I hope you enjoyed the pig food this week, the virtual pig food video wise. I will remind you that Slop in the Shop, like every video production that comes from me, is a copyrighted production of James Deadman Saw Logs Plastic Hubs. For your entertainment, enjoyment, and some slight education here on YouTube. With that being said, remember when you open this video up, and if that little block underneath that video is red, where it says subscribe, please click on it and become a subscriber. My channel is growing because of people like you who watch it. And also people like you who subscribe. Unlike public radio, unlike a lot of other things, there's nobody going to call you up, beg you for money, try to sell you an insurance policy or extended warranty or some other malarkey through email or a robocall. Basically, you just become a member of the family. Also, there's the comments, and comments are always welcome. Just remember, on smaller channels like myself, a lot of our interaction is through the comments. I mean, we have viewers on my channel, even though it's not the largest ones, all over the world. So it would be impractical sometimes to go to events. So the truth of the matter is the interaction, a lot of it's virtual. So take that time to comment and then let us know what you think. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed Slop in the Shop today. Hope you enjoyed my videos. And I hope to see you in that next video. And I hope to welcome you as a subscriber. Have a great day.